So here I am, and the basement is done. It's not, it'll never be all done, but it's done as far as we're going for right now. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I'm sitting here in an old chair from Mansource by a big mirror from Darla, one of our shippers, her old house. And then we walk in here, and this is just one of my paintings and a couple old Pepsi boxes. We still have the furnace is exposed. I mean, we got to have a furnace, right? That's just how it is. And we found all these old letters in the basement. So Angela and I hung these the other day. It just says grow. We did it sort of in the Robert and Deanne style, like the love sign. Caroline said we needed a great clock, so we got a great clock. We have all of these things hanging here because there's lots of low-hanging fruit. So that's not going to change. We did this little area over here with hay, and we got our Igor hung our lights. Do you mind being on video, Igor? Oh, you're okay? Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. It's fun. Igor hung those for us today, and he's putting together some projects for us. And then I made this. When the spirit does not work with the hand, there is no art. So we're just trying to pretty it up. Over here, we have our light tables and some work tables and some projects that we're working on and all our yarn. I finished this little piece of art for down here. It just says for all the lonely Sundays when the sun shone on empty shores. I'm not going to read you the whole thing, but I do love it. And my friend Carol gave me a screen. We painted the ceiling. Igor painted the floor for us. We've got lots of stuff in storage. And I think now we've got like a comfortable, cozy workspace. Had a workshop, we could actually come down here and draw some designs instead of ever being on the floor. And yes, someday we will do a live workshop again. I know we will. So this sewing machine is from Mansource, and the sewing machine is still in here. An old Singer right there like that. You can sit, it's a treadle. When I first started doing my rugs, that's how I bound my rugs I put the binding on, I sewed it on a treadle. And this is it. So it's done as far as it's going to get done. And we painted the ceiling for most of it, but not all. And everything is good. We're happy with it and fun. And I don't know, I'm pretty excited about it. I feel really good. It's good and cleaned up. And we've got a nice workspace. And do you remember the earlier videos and all the mess that was down here? Well, now everything is organized. And I actually know where everything is down here. Except for 4 table leg risers. I can't find them anywhere. But that's it. That's the end of the basement reno. See ya.